I hate acne. Didn't you guys hate acne? Because I really do. Acne, scars. I just hate it. You know what I'm saying? Every day I wake up in the morning, I was like, I don't want this. I'm gonna change this face. It's just too much. You know what I'm saying? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jenny. How are you doing today? Hopefully you have a fantastic and beautiful day. And today's video is going to be different because you know why? I tell you why. Today I am very excited because I was so shocked and happy at the same time when this company reached out to me. I was like, ooh, they just reached out to me? And I was like, that's amazing. I've been eyeing this product for a while. So today we are going to talk about this Banish scars. So Banish was so generous to send me a bunch of stuff, you guys. I'm going to tell you about this company. So this company was created and founded by Daisy Jing. So Daisy Jing is a YouTuber. She has an acne channel and she was dealing with a bad acne. It's gonna be interesting for me to try because just like her, she knows the feeling, she knows what we felt. Dealing with acne is not cute at all. It's so stressful. You spend a lot of money, you spend a lot of energy, you went to your dermatologist, you've done everything, you know what I'm saying? And none of them works. I have this bad hormonal imbalance. It means when I have my chin, my forehead, acne is everywhere, like it's everywhere, and sometimes you don't want to look in the mirror because seriously, like, what's the point? My goal is I want to go out without any makeup, you know, rock with bare face, like, you know what I'm saying? I have the acne in my cheek area, in my chin, in my forehead, going to my T-zone, and like that's a lot. They sent me a starter kit. So in the starter kit, you're getting the Banisher. This is the Banisher roller. So we're gonna talk about this later. And you will get this plastic jar where you can mix your mask. And this is the Banish oil, and this is inside the starter kit. So before I started them, I soaked my Banisher into alcohol for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I am ready to roll. So first, I wash my face with my facial soap. I washed that, and after I rinsed that, I started to use my Banisher. And this Banisher has a 540 micro needles into it that you're gonna roll in your face. So the way you roll this, it should go back and forth like 3 to 5 times. You can do vertical, you can do horizontal, and my main focus here is my chin area, like, because that's where my hyperpigmentation and that's where my like old acne scars. So the Banisher makes micro wounds in the skin, triggering skin to heal and repair itself to build a new collagen to reduce the appearance of scars. As you guys can see here, my face gets red, but it's normal for me, especially because this is like a micro needles that you put in your face, and then but it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt at all. Yes, it tickles me. My forehead area, for some reason, is so weird because it tickles and it's weird. So after the Banisher, you guys, we are going to apply our Banish oil. And this serum will help us to speed up the collagen scar fading process and doesn't contain any harmful ingredients. And we all know that the vitamin C is really good for evening out our skin tone, brighten up the dark spots, pat in my skin, just like massage a little bit all over my face. And you guys, this thing feels really, really good, and I love that. And that was my first night of using this product, and that's how I use my starter kit. And the next day again, I use the pumpkin enzyme mask, and you guys, this thing, it smells so good. It smells delicious. It smells like fall. And what I like about the mask is natural and organic. It feels amazing. So I rub them and I put that in my face, in my chin area, in my forehead, and it feels good. It has a little bit of tingling in it. It feels really good. Actually, it means that the product works. I skipped the nose because I am going to try the charcoal activated mask, and this one right here, and this is all natural, you guys. So what I do here is I take my jar, I take my plastic jar, I put a little bit of charcoal mask, and then I spritz with the vitamin C beauty elixir. I just make some paste. So when it turns into paste, I apply them into my nose, down into my mouth, and then like the center of my eyebrows. You might not know, or you may know, that charcoal mask is really good for detoxifying. And I put that in my nose because I got like the whiteheads in there and it's so gross and I hate it. So after that, both masks, I set them for 10 to 15 minutes. So after I wash them, my face feels really good. I applied my Banish oil, and then to set everything, I use my vitamin C beauty elixir to give me more moisture, and my skin is ready to sleep and rest. I'm very excited and happy, you guys. It's gonna be the beginning of my journey to clearer skin, and I'm very excited. And you guys, I'm gonna give you a monthly update of how my skin doing, and I just can't wait. And thank you so much, Banish, for sending me your stuff. I really appreciate that. I was very scared of next because I was thinking that it might break me out, but you know what? I did not break out, which is a good thing. It means my skin likes it. And for those of you guys out there who deal with acne scars, and hyperpigmentation, this product is worth to try. I'm going to put their site on my description box down below, so where you can find the products, where you can buy, and there you can read the reviews and stuff like that. Yes guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a like, show me some love, you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And let's be friends, because why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.
I just wanna dance.